Hello there. So, you want to know how you can simply go ahead and buy tickets to your favorite shows from your mobile device from Gametime? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So, with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, make sure that you've downloaded and installed Gametime by heading into your iOS device or Android devices from Play Store or App Store and simply go ahead and tap on open once you've downloaded it. Now, in order for you to go ahead and get a event ticket, all you need to do is, for example, there is this NFL game that is happening in London. I can simply go ahead and tap on that and then simply go ahead and select the row that I want to go ahead and sit with, and then just simply go ahead and click on continue. And now I can start paying with my PayPal or other options right over here, Affirm Pay, or there is also a card option. All you need to do is just click on pay and you will get your tickets right over here. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and